I just installed this on my wall. I may want to add more so it just reduces the sound that much more. Guys, check this out. I just got this acoustic paneling in and this stuff looks really, really cool. I'm gonna show you all about this. So each one of these pieces can be actually 16 inches long, 12 inches high, and we're gonna have 16 of them. So I decided to lay them all on the floor to kind of get like a shape of an idea of what I wanna do. I might change it up, but these are really cool. These actually come in a whole bunch of different colors and styles. And this is gonna be a wood style, very easy to clean, although I don't think you're gonna have to clean these much if it's gonna be on a wall. But on the back, we're gonna have an adhesive, so this is gonna stick to a wall. And I'm gonna show you that in this video, so stay tuned. Also gonna be made with a polyester fiber material that's actually gonna resist moisture, which is good. So you're gonna have this on the wall, it's gonna resist that, be less prone to like mold. You kind of just click these into place. They fit really well. I did notice that the fitment is amazing. It's actually on point for these. So many different colors and versions, but if you do like the brick, you can kind of make it look like the wall like kind of split open and you have the brick exposed. But let's go ahead, throw these on the wall and let's check this out. All right, so here it is. When you walk down to my basement, I have an unfinished basement, but this looks amazing. So I am gonna be doing some work downstairs here and there. So if I'm working with tools down in the basement, I think the sound is gonna come up, probably smack this wall right here. But guys, this was not hard to install. It is very sticky. I used a leveler to make sure that I got pretty much just the first piece correct. I started all the way up there. If you kind of mess up a little bit and put it, like if you stick it on, it kind of will just peel the paint off of the wall. So just be careful, take your time, use a leveler, but I just used a leveler in one spot right there and brought it all the way down. I didn't use a leveler any more times. And honestly, it worked just fine. It looks amazing. I can't believe how nice this actually is. And it actually works too. It really does work. So let's take a look from down here. I'm actually really happy with it. And I was thinking this would probably look cool if I just got the rest and went all the way down and did my entire wall because it just looks so good. But I do like how it just like splits open. Like it looks like industrial. I really like that look. I may fill the wall just because I think it works so good, but there's a lot of different options that you guys can get. This stuff looks incredible. It's easy to work with. It's made of like a polyester fabric right here. So if you get the brick model, there's kind of like a recess going all the way down. So if I think you took a box cutter, that would slice through that so easily and you'd be able to just line it up exactly where you need. So if I got more, I would have to cut half pieces all the way down, which wouldn't be a problem. Super easy. And I'm really happy with it. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.